You may have noticed some subtle changes to some of the IRSA tools. For example, in Finder Chart, you can load a file for a multiple position search from the workspace. Or in IRSA Viewer, you can select an image from the workspace. Or in Finder Chart, you can save an image to the workspace. What does this mean? Well, what it is a little bit of disk space at IRSA that you can add files to. On the IRSA main page, there's a login, and in many of the IRSA tools, also in the upper right, there's a login. You can create your own account and log in. Once you have an account and you've logged in, then you can access your workspace from the IRSA tools. You can save the output of one tool to the workspace and load it in from the workspace to another tool. Files will stay in the workspace for at least 3 days after you last access them. You can also interface with the archive using command line tools via the API. You can put files into the workspace or copy them out. There's also commands that you can use to allow you to mount the disk to your computer just as if it was an external drive. Lots of information about the workspace is available here. There's details of the commands and the different capabilities that it has. More capabilities are coming soon to the IRSA Workspace.